Recording is started. Hello everyone and welcome to today's session.
Hello, Akhil. Hello,
Hi,
Rishabh.
Hello.
Akhil. Hi, Anubhav.
Hi.
Hello,
Hello.
everyone. We are back again.
Yeah, so today's session will be on what topic?
Let's
Okay,
think about it.
so
I just came, like a snake came out of my house before 1 hour.
No, bro.
You don't want to
in
discuss about
Monday,
snake.
on Monday, right?
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, it is Monday and it was
It's
No.
good. It's good. I think it's good
yeah,
for you.
it's good. It's good, but until unless it bites you, it's good for you.
Yeah, definitely.
So Rishabh will tell about today's topic because he doesn't like to speak about snakes.
Topic.
Common sense is not so common.
No, yeah.
So,
Don't scratch your
Rishabh,
head a lot. Let's start with like discussing our day. So then a topic will come out of that thing. So
if you guys don't have any topic, then I will provide you.
we will
Yeah,
have
yeah,
but
definitely.
you can give us topic. Like you, or you are going to ask some questions to us.
Yeah.
Yesterday you are saying that thing.
Yeah, but I think if we discuss the topic which I want, after that I will ask some question to you guys.
Okay,
Definitely.
okay, okay. So if you have topic, then just let come it out.
Yeah, I have a topic like you cannot make everyone happy.
Nice topic.
Yeah. Nice topic.
Nice TED Talk video. I too have shown that. I too have watched that video. I think earlier days.
Yeah.
But it's a nice
Uh,
topic. So let's start with Rishabh.
yeah. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, definitely. We can't make happy everyone
Yeah,
because everyone has a different point of view of any topic, any situation, and
yeah,
everything.
yes,
Just like someone someone get punishment in the in a court
yeah,
for any criminal activities.
Criminal activities.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You
but
can't make them happy.
no, but he was transforming criminal by the behavior
Situations.
of social,
Yeah,
by the situation.
yes,
Then the point of according to them and according to all are equally right.
yeah,
Yeah, just like just like fiction character Thanos.
yeah,
Mhm.
He also doing a good thing,
yeah. You can't
but
disagree to that. Yeah, you can't disagree to that thing he is doing.
uh,
Yeah.
he
Yeah,
is but uh, no, not everyone was happy by any decision, any situation.
yeah.
Just, yeah. And you, Anubhav, what's up?
Yeah.
What's the view
So
about this point?
I want to discuss some facts like we do so many things like in our life, like not because we do the things so that things like by others or sometimes get praised, right?
Yes.
Yeah. We do because of this we can't do our own things because we have some kind of self doubt or any kind of thing, like if there's someone not praised or not like, then how I can manage
Yeah.
by the this self doubt. I think we have some kind of effort to do the things which we want actually because of these some self doubt things, right? Because of this self doubt thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think people have to start like they do their own things
Yeah.
little on a small step. After that, do whatever the things which they want to achieve their goal, right?
Yeah.
uh, yeah. So I believe that everyone have a self make decision, don't care anyone other opinion, right? Yeah, if take other opinion, but if you like, then you can apply. Otherwise, just skip it
Yeah,
out, right?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, do the things which you like, definitely.
yeah. Doing the things which you like. Actually, there are so many things we do. Just do it. We don't like it, but just to please someday someone,
Yeah.
somebody, and that things harms you. That thing you are talking about, you can't make everyone happy.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's not like you do all the things of your every time, because sometimes you have to, sacrifice your also, because
Yeah.
because in your happiness there may be a loss of someone. So instead of, like a profit of ours, we should focus always on, like, no one should be harmed, or no one should be, like, get
Yeah.
lost by
Okay.
ourselves. Yeah, that is the thing I, like, believe more in that instead of profit thing.
Hmm.
So Anubhav's topic was, you can't make everyone
That is
happy. And
always
yeah, yeah,
awesome.
yeah. Yesterday we touched this topic little bit about, we do for our surroundings, we do for our people, we do for this, we do for that, and today we are discussing we can't make everyone
Uh,
happy.
like one example, when someone is like in our school time, like a boy who loved by all the teacher except one,
Yeah.
right? They try to
Who is
praise
that?
them.
Who is that expert one?
He's talking about his
Yeah,
school thing.
Yeah,
school
yeah.
things.
Who is
Uh,
who is
yeah, yeah. So he tries to get praised by them also, right? So he do the things which they will like.
Actually, what
Yeah,
happens is, like, you start doing things. Actually, you don't
yeah,
start to just please someone, somebody, but
yeah. Exactly.
there will come a day when you will be you. Then, like, all
Yeah,
your doings and all your workings will be, taken as false things, and your reputation, like you are lying, and those things will come in the topic. Like, you fake to make somebody or your teachers or anyone please you, but you become yourself Monday, and that, it destroys all the things. So be yourself.
yeah,
Actually, try to be yourself. You can't be yourself all the time, because society, your peer pressure, and everything,
yeah,
actually makes you what you are. Behave in front of them. Like, you behave differently in front of your parents. You behave differently with your friends. You behave differently when you're a teacher, and all those things. So we just play different roles in front of different people.
on different platform. Yeah,
and
exactly.
and that is, in fact, a true thing, and a practical approach to be, like, you can't be, uh, however you want to do in front of everyone.
Yeah. Okay. Let me ask some one question to you guys. Uh, in your childhood, like if
Childhood.
you remember, if you remember, like childhood, not like after before 10, right?
Okay.
Okay,
yeah.
before 10. You have guys anything which you want to do at that time?
Yeah,
Mo-
so many
like
things we wanted to do.
like most no, I was just asked about one thing which you like the most.
Trip, bro.
Yeah,
Not family.
Yeah.
Trip.
Yeah,
trip.
we were excited about vacations and all at that time. Holidays, playing. Those are the things which just came in our mind, and nothing. Because I got to know so many things after 10th, 11th. After 11th, things are not in our hands, and all those things. Little bit conservative family and all, not exposed to so much of, world and this. After 11th and 12th, when, like, you become of your own, you start going tuitions by yourself, you meet
Yeah,
so many new people, you make new friends who study a different thing, then actual things comes in your mind, you think about things. At that time, before 10th, holidays, playing, eating, sleeping, and not about that, what do you
and
think?
just playing.
Yeah,
Cartoon
yeah.
movie.
Cartoon, movie, friends, you are just 1 hour, 2 hour with friends that are, like,
One packet of kurkure is a world,
yeah,
bro. That
yeah. You buy kurkure, it's a once in a week thing.
Sometimes we beaten for that also, but we do the things
yeah,
which
yeah,
which
yeah,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
yeah.
like,
yeah.
right?
You got bitten, you
I'm
do it
also
again.
beaten,
Yeah,
but
Yeah, do it again,
Yeah.
and then after two, three times they will,
I,
okay, let it be.
I'm
Yeah.
I'm being my mom to eating golmole, a local type of chips.
Okay. Yeah, because my parents too, like don't like to too much of eating of outside food and all. They like they provided me sometimes, but I was not that much like our friend from Majid is. He lives with chips. He lives on chips.
Liz.
Yeah,
He sleep on sleep.
Yeah.
yeah. He's made up of chips. Like if you will shake that guy a little, salt and what chili flakes will come out of that.
And bro, you know he's very big, bro. Very big.
Yeah. I know.
he,
I see, bro, with a packet of.
he can't
I see a
walk,
guy with a
bro,
packet of chips,
more
right?
than 100 meter.
Yeah,
Oh,
that is absolutely due to his diet. Like we have taught him in class in first year to eat rice and all those things. We what we say by force we have make him eat the rice and make him eat the roti and vegetables and all. With mixing with it curd, with mixing with different things. I offered him my lunch to at least eat something healthy. Don't just rely on things which are very unhealthy.
I think they will survive if there is a kind of like lack of food. Also, they can survive with chips, right?
Yeah,
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 Packet of chips.
yeah, yeah. He can survive.
he
So
Yeah.
loves light green chips,
I I I,
light
ha-
green lace chip.
I haven't eaten
Blue,
I
blue.
haven't eaten chips since long days. In fact, a shop is in front, just in front of my home. Just you open the door and shop will open. So shop is visible. Just you, you can go on towel thing, towel thing. It's that much near. But I haven't eaten. Definitely, I will eat tomorrow.
Okay. One more thing, like after 12th, when you decided to choose that profession, like engineering profession, have you have you some kind of a doubt, or have you some kind of a thing which you think
No,
thought that at that time?
no, I haven't
No,
thought
bro.
anything. When I was in class 12th, okay, so I gave JE and all those things because I took maths and engineering. I can pursue engineering. I never wanted to do BCA, BSc and all. I wanted to go in NDA when I was in class 12th. So I
Yes,
wrote
same
exam
here.
of I wrote exam of NDA, but unfortunately I took drop year for JE and I lost my NDA roll number and all. I didn't check my class 12th. Okay, so, but like if I qualified the exam, I definitely knew that I will like scummed out in the interview process because of my BMI, weight, at height, and all those things. So at next year I haven't gave a NDA examination. I chose for engineering, and that was nice for me because I opted. I knew that what I am doing and what I will do after this and that. But I was expecting. I didn't expecting branch computer science and all those things. In earlier I was expecting aeronautical engineering so that I can enter into aerospace and NASA and all those things. Sorry, ISRO and all those things. And after that, my choice was to take computer science and IT. Is was just because I like computers and all, and I always disliked civil branch. I
Same here, bro.
never,
I
like,
always,
yeah, yeah,
I never go
yeah.
for IT Bombay for
Oh,
civil.
yeah, yeah, definitely. Absolutely same for that. Like if there was just an option to take civil branch and no other, I have choice
Uh,
BSc doing. I chose BSc to do. In fact, instead of civil engineering. But my father wanted to me to choose civil engineering when counseling process was happening. Everything was set to go to civil engineering from my home. I knew that there will be something happen. There was no seat on civil engineering, so I was like, very good. But there was seat on mechanical engineering, and my father was convinced, absolutely thought to make me choose mechanical engineering. I was little bit 30% okay about mechanical, but I knew that if I will do from here, I will do CS or IT, otherwise like no matter of doing such things.
yeah, I
Yeah.
also always want to pursue
Yeah,
computer science degree.
Yeah, so
I
I
in counseling I only fill up the computer science branch, and in 2 3 college ECE branch.
no, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
same,
I
same. Yeah,
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 I you know like
yeah.
EC are the fallen branches for me. I have never thought of EC and all. Yeah, but it can be chosen. But civil is out of the like league,
Range, out of
Yeah,
range.
out of range.
yeah.
I didn't like civil engineering from my. Uh, I didn't like building pools and all those things. Think
I,
I look pool. I don't like like just I can make map of I made maps of my houses which are built and all, but
Architect basically, right?
yeah,
You
architecture
want.
is different thing. B-Arch is different thing, and civil engineering is different thing.
Oh,
Yeah, I haven't wrote an exam of B-Arch also.
okay.
Yeah, I'm happy with computer science, and I know like what can be done, but I know that I haven't done well in my engineering things. I will
No,
do.
bro.
Yeah, it's our season is coming. Yeah,
Yeah,
ECE
definitely.
is your most.
Yeah, same way for me. Like in when I felt like my choices, I felt easy for like two one or two tier colleges. But I choose computer science like in all three tier colleges.
yeah, nice, nice decision.
Yeah,
Actually, one more thing should happen when we give JEE because our no one thinks about branch. When comes to
yeah,
engineering thing, you prepare for engineering. No one prepares for branch. Everyone prepares for college.
yeah.
Like
Yeah.
Definitely, because I think in my tell I don't have any idea about the house engineering life, and even I
no one knows actually. No one knows.
yeah,
You will never know until you
My
experience.
my family also, not my family, my elder cousin, they also want I to be study civil engineering.
Yeah, yeah, I
After
know.
that, job in PWD.
Yeah, everyone thinks of like government job.
Yeah,
Everyone thinks of stability. That
yeah.
is the thing. But I
yeah,
never wanted
stability.
stability in my life
But
actually.
my
Yeah,
parents always
me
supports
also.
me.
Yeah,
He say what you like,
Yeah,
just do it, bro.
my mother is absolutely same. Like whatever you
you
do it
have
for
to pay. Yeah,
yourself. Like we
yeah.
have lived our life. We will enjoy our life. We have feel
But
it in the. Yeah, Pranjal is come. Welcome, Pranjal.
Welcome, Pranjal.
Yeah, Rishabh is stuck. I guess it's stuck on your also, Anubhav, or it's just mine.
Yeah, yeah. It's stuck on myself also. My device
Live? No,
also.
no, no. We are not live, but it is recording. Pranjal, it will be uploaded. So yeah, what Rishabh? What you were saying? You stuck.
mm, but there was a condition of my family. You have to do engineering.
Yeah, nice.
Just
So
just like
don't
I
bring
belong.
Pranjal.
Yeah, I am belong to the typical little bit stable family.
Yeah.
Everyone want to be graduation in engineering or doctor.
Yeah.
After that, you have to sit in UPSC exam.
Nice. Like when in class 11th, when I opted mathematics in April, after 2 months, when it was month of June or July, my father asked me what branch you took. I said mathematics. He said that why you haven't chosen bio? We should open a hospital so that everyone in home can like work and just they
Ah,
live
yeah.
stable. But I said that actually why I haven't chose bio because like the fee of medical colleges are so much high, and I medical thing I like, but I knew that I won't be a good doctor because doctors are so much like they read for too much. Actually they
Yeah,
read for half of their life and they just live
yeah.
very
Exactly.
small amount of time. That is good, but I can't be that much of philanthropist actually.
That's
uh, i I that is the major thing. I don't wanted to study that much of my time. First do 5 years of MBBS, then 2 years of MS, then do practice. Until then I will die.
Oh my.
Okay, so I I want less stable life with more of adventure and all those things.
Yeah, mix
That I
of
wanted.
fun and adventures. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
So Rishabh, Pranjal, why are you Silent, bro. You can speak
You
something.
just put on your mic and just speak.
Pranjal was with me when
Are
counseling
you,
was
bro?
happening. Pranjal knew
I
that my
think
father make me choose mechanical. They were laughing. He and one of my friend, like they are convincing my father to make him take a mechanical, make him take mechanical, just to laugh and nothing else. But I
oh
thank our Manjit sir. I really thank
Oh
Manjit
no.
sir. He,
Really?
yeah, he explained my father about computer science, and he made last year Rishabh Gupta stood AI at 2 in gate. So he just, like, he tried with his English and he in Hindi and English, and my father was okay, let him do. Yeah, computer science is good. And before the counseling time, I have talked to 5 persons in phone call. Yeah, Pranjal was not saying actually, and you don't say actually, I know. Anranjan was saying. So I talked to 5 persons. Yeah, my father called me to five. Some are their M Tech, some are teachers, and some are, like, professionals. Normal professionals sort of computer science. They said me like everyone is taking CS. What is the future? I explained them like what is the future and all those things. You are doing these things with computers and all, so you can't say like there is no computer thing and all those things. So I listen to them and I just explain myself, and that's all. I never, like, ever change my decision according to people, whatever people said me anytime in my life, anytime. Whether I'm
and
wrong
for
or
me,
right,
yeah,
but I did my thing. Like I experienced my thing, and that is all.
yeah, same for me. Like first I decide what to do, then after that I discuss those people which are really important in my life, and after that I'll decide like if I do or not. Then start do working on that thing.
Nice thing.
That's
So
my strategy.
yeah, Pranjal is writing things from chat box. Brother,
Brother, that topic.
today's topic was started by you can't make everyone happy. Then we shifted to questions from Anubhav, like have you choose what you thought when you were class in 12th about engineering, about branches and all those things. So you can
Yeah.
speak if you want to speak.
Okay. After that, I will discuss
More questions.
one incident like
Okay.
which happened.
So Pranjal, will you speak or not? You can write in the chat so that we can know. Or he has lot of
Has
noise. Okay,
lots
no
of.
problem. You are
Okay.
here.
Okay.
It's okay. You will
Okay, bro.
you can speak tomorrow. No problem. Anubhav, you can start your story.
Yeah. I just want to share a story of one of my friend. Like I think from 11th, my friend is love computer, like love computer and do the things in like which are like which they are actually involved in IT sector, right? Most of the
Okay.
time they love do the things which helps him to like choose engineering profession like in computer science.
Okay.
But like when they just prepared for when they were preparing for JE, but he got not selected, right? After that, he just take a I think 1 year gap, and they just started preparing again. After that, they will. I think they will not get good college. Then they decide. Then he decide to do again it. After that, he did. Matlab, that after that he get one college, and in that college they have a choice to choose ECE and CSIT.
Okay.
At that time, like when he went to the college, and when like principal or as a kind of HOD asked him which branch do you prefer, at that time like he just says like EC, but he liked CSE, you know, because like he feel like some kind of pressure in his family, like if you choose EC then you have a more career like in government
Oh,
sector. Yeah,
yeah.
that
IES
kind of
thing
thing.
that can prepared in EC branch, and
Yeah, but I see most of the time, and I from 3 to 4 year they are so much interested in CSE, and today they're like he is facing like so much kind of bad
problem.
bad things like they are facing, not interesting, like they are not feeling interesting in that subject. So just they started to learn the things as subject wise also. They don't take interest in that things.
Okay.
So and I think that if if he convinced his
Their
parent
parents.
for, yeah,
No, if he
for CSIT, then
just said CSE in front of principal, then
yeah,
it was sorted for him. Like
yeah,
you, that is that there are small decisions
Yeah,
you really
you
have to
have to
make.
fight for yourself, bro.
Yeah, yeah, really have to make your decisions.
yeah,
This is called the
and
risk taking
Yeah,
and every
decision.
you
time,
should take
yeah,
risk. You should. It doesn't like you can do or you can't do. It doesn't matter when you are deciding.
Hmm.
It just makes you like it's your thing. Either you
yeah,
fail in your thing or you succeed in your thing. Until if you fail in your thing, everyone say that we have said that. And if you have
yeah,
did do well in your thing, like they will say that we knew this guy is nice. And that
and
thing. But
yeah,
if you will fail in some other thing, and if you get success from others thing, you will not be really happy until you choose your thing. That is, I think, like,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, and every time when I discuss something related to CSE, then he just feel like some kind of sadness and all this
do
kind of thing.
make him feel little bit, like
Yeah,
learn some of the
I'll try to motivate. Yeah, I'll
CSE
try to
stuffs he
motivate
can learn.
also.
Like now everyone can learn, have to learn CSE stuff. If he is from EC, definitely he have to learn C and C++ for embedded programming. So he is like
Yeah,
not much more far than computers and all. Like
yeah,
IP and mechanical and civil they are very much far from computer science, because they learn to use tools instead of languages and things
yeah.
about that. But he actually knows how computer works. Like he designs a
Hmm.
CPU and all those things. So he is very much near to computer science, very
Hmm.
near than us.
Yeah. So I believe that one decision like can like
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
It's a
this,
long life. It's more than 50
yeah,
years
long
is
life.
in front of us.
This career is
Yeah,
marathon,
definitely.
bro.
Yeah,
Not a 100 meter race.
yeah,
Graduation is only 100 meter.
yeah. Career
Yeah.
fails after 5 years.
Hmm. After BTech, I am moving towards the management line. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
Yeah,
Whenever you want, you can you can start things.
learning. Yeah, learning a
Yeah,
lot.
you
Yeah.
you will, yeah, Rishabh, you will feel good because you want to be here, right? There,
Yeah.
right? Yeah,
But like after some time, everyone felt very hard after they gave JE and came in college. Everyone
Yeah.
felt so
Yeah.
much hard. It was with everyone. Like there will be some people will
Many
say,
people, bro.
but
yeah,
you have to accept after one month, because you should don't know
I
that.
am I am also little bit depressed about that. I can't get the good college.
Yeah, everyone was
oh
with that.
yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
but
Yeah, sometime.
many people, many senior people. I have a lot of friends, senior friend. He told me that after 2 3 years, you
Yeah,
you college doesn't matter.
yeah, the fact after that.
Yeah,
Exactly, that's happened, bro.
And you
When
can't
I am
explain to a
I'm
12th
lucky,
year. Yeah,
I'm really,
yeah,
it is a good college.
yeah,
It's not bad.
yeah.
yeah. It's same for me. I feel good to be here, right?
Actually,
Yeah, also I feel good
yeah, because we are
here.
with because we like we became friends and all those things happen. It is
Yeah,
very very much good for us. Like there are companies of friends which
And
are.
basically, in all departments, CSC department of JGU is
Yeah,
much better than others. Yeah,
but
after civil.
yeah.
Equal-
There are very plus minus points in all the departments.
all
Actually,
department.
yeah, there are some good, there are some bad things, but overall, Pranjal, voice of air is coming from your mic.
Just Mute your mic, bro.
Here is natural air, bro. I am.
I think
Yeah, yeah. You
I
can
think your
stop it by
head
just
is working like a amplifier for the air. Like
Actually, I am in.
you
where
are
you
See,
are,
in.
where you
You
are.
are on terrace, right? Me also, bro.
no, no, bro, no.
No,
He's
Akhil,
in
bro.
garden. Yeah.
There is a
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
There is a one guy,
I
Prince
am in
Kumar. He is
garden.
giving attendance in this time
Who?
in computer graphics.
Oh, there are some notorious person, some notorious person in our batch also.
Yeah, everyone. Yeah, but you can't explain. Like college doesn't matter to a first year guy or a guy who is not little bit not immature. Like
Yeah,
because the dream settles and no one fix the dream in one day. It gets little bit time to get collected and get
yeah.
things
Someone
done.
get
Yeah.
early, someone get
Yeah,
in later.
but definitely sometimes it hits us like when we see the amenities and facilities of big colleges. We do think that also available in our college. We don't cry for that. We try for that. That is the difference between us and earlier us. We try to achieve those things in our college instead of just like yelling for it. It is not here. It is not there.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
No
yeah.
problem. No problem. Everything will be all right someday. One day.
exactly.
I think those people who say that the college is bad or I got bad college, matlab not that much good because
We
when yes, Anubhav?
okay, okay. You may continue, Pranjal.
So when people when those students says those like they not take matlab, like own risks
Yeah.
means that he is not responsible for that.
Yeah.
He is, but he is not taking like that. He is responsible. He can do that.
Yeah. He can do
Means
better.
as example, always I take Elon Musk. Right, Elon Musk from since childhood he read like books. Every dropouts are in like one top of world richest person. So they do do what they do reading books daily. So if they thought that my college is bad and this that, so this is not as considered as he is not responsible
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
this. So I mean that he is responsible for that.
Yeah. Like you will feel very bad when someone else says your college is bad. You can say that thing, अरे हमारा college घटिया है, हमारा college
Yeah,
बेकार है.
yeah.
But when someone else says, you like make him hear the things. You will
Yeah,
you will. I really don't like when someone else says like your college is not good. I say that our college
yeah,
is best. At least
Yeah,
best
yeah.
it will
Definitely,
Anpur.
me also. Same here for.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we blame in our
Bro,
whole pro,
we have
but in
we have daily
not in
class.
front of
There are
others.
many college class are not running, bro. In
Yeah.
Yeah,
normal
Uh,
days,
uh, I take one my
but
friend as
there is no rule of the attendance, and attendance are given in the fine
Yeah.
maybe
Money.
2,000, 25,000,
Yeah.
2,500. No one go for college. Just pay
Actually,
yeah.
2,500
yeah,
and
actually,
They
get
just take money
attendance.
from them, right?
best thing about our college is like the low fee. You can really invest
Yeah,
that fees in
it is
different things.
one of the
right, right,
most
right.
Cheapest college in cheapest
yeah,
central
cheapest college.
university.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah,
because if you really consider the fee of IITs and all those things, these are in lakhs. Actually, it get raised one day. I know that one of my friend reads studies in IIT. There is so much pressure in his father. Actually, it happens because
Yeah, definitely.
he don't get a scholarship and all. Scholarship, it's okay with the scholarship, but you have to pay the fees. Then you will get refund and all those things in first year and first year times. So those
and
are the things.
everyone get the equal chance
Yeah, and
for their career.
and those fees thing is also like distributed, actually differentiated on the basis of caste and all those things. So I don't like.
Yeah.
And there was one rule about my friend's father income was little bit lower, then the fee, then the like criteria for getting a scholarship and all. He got for 1 year. Then after 1 year,
Okay.
his father's salary increased just by little, only little, and he came out of that race.
Surprise!
So
That's really
so
bad.
there
I
was
am above
Bad news
the
for.
poverty line.
yeah, so there was a like so much of confusion, like where either we should be happy or we should be sad about that thing. Like yeah, I got raised in my salary, but my more of the salary will go on the fee. So that was a very
Yeah,
strange
exactly.
thing, and he was a government servant, so there could be no
Yeah.
hiding thing. Yeah, you can't hide the government salary.
It's one linked by the
Yeah,
Aadhaar card and
yeah,
everything. I also
everything.
know, bro.
Yeah.
I never opened any form of a scholarship because my parent is a government servant.
Me
Anyone
also,
say that?
bro. I never get. I think I never get any scholarship because of some like government rules, right? Government guidelines.
Yeah. Me also,
In
bro.
other state,
I,
in other
I
states.
never fill up the form, bro. I'm not in
yeah, I do.
category, bro.
I search for the such forms that is made for me, but something happens, some paper don't match, some things happen, or I don't take that much thing seriously and I lose that. But there are no rules for me, for general people. And also the income is not that much low
Yeah,
to do things. But it's okay. Everything will be okay. No,
Yeah.
yeah, we are. If we are like able to pay our fees, then we should leave it for the government. Yeah, just have that.
I know. I know. Like I tried 2 years for scholarship, but
Yeah, that scholarship
yeah,
by companies and all. There is
yeah,
so much
but
scholarship, after like income after engineering and all, like IOCL offers if you score this much percentage in 12th and all those things. I know
yeah,
everything
yeah,
informations are there when we were in 12th and all. They,
yeah,
those things must have been motivated me to score more than that.
yeah. I applied to scholarship like those are in pending from like 6 months. I don't know when we will when I will get a scholarship or not. They are not just confirming I will get or not. They're just in pending like from
Yeah,
six
it's
months.
really hard to get money for.
Yeah, exactly.
So no problem. It is already been 37 minutes. We can discuss
Yeah.
after uploading the video. So no problem. Okay, so I'm just ending the video. Say bye
Yeah,
bye
sure.
to the
Okay.
video. Bye bye video.
Bye,
We will
everyone.
we
Bye,
will
Bye,
come we
Pranjal.
will
bye.
come
Bye
again
again.
tomorrow with
Bye.
a better topic
We
and
will
a
meet
better
again tomorrow,
discuss.
bro.
Yeah.